There are a few ways to edit a photo in Glow 3D. You can do it from mobile application. You can also do it from web platform, where you log into glow3d.net, and over there it will give you access to do some edits. In this video, we'll explain the mobile application edits, and I will use this image for the editing. Once you click edit, here you can change the thumbnail. So let's say I would like this view to be my first thumbnail view, and that's how I can change it. I can assign a name to it. I can add descriptions. I could assign a URL. So if I am selling this on an online store, or if I have a website that has descriptions and more information about it, I could put the URL here and it creates a backlink, which helps the overall search engine optimization. Here I can add custom fields. I could remove the ones I have, and I would be able to add a new ones. Once I add a field here, it will automatically add it to all the objects I have. And this way I can have a consistent description and consistent information across all different photos I have. For example, here I'll add material. I'll add size. I will add available numbers. And here I can add the answers. Here I can add tags. We are using artificial intelligence AI to add tags. However, you will be able to easily edit it, remove them, or add new tags. For example, this way I can add the yellow tag here, which is added, or I could remove it from here. Here I can get information such as the total file sizes, when it was created, and how many views we had here. I could also do more crops here. So if I want to even further crop the photo, I can do it here. We automatically transparent images of, let's say, 30-40 frames, so that gives you the ability for better editing. You could move around the items, the photo here. You could crop it in a very specific aspect ratio. You could also push this button to do an exact 90-degree turn. So you decide if you want to crop it. For now, we say no. Here, you can use different features. For example, I like to try to remove the background. The glow feature is a combination of different features we have where you can try to see if it feeds. It seems to be good, but let's try it with the contrast. So once I increase the contrast, as you will see, we'll reduce the background. You could increase the sharpness. That's too much. I'll do a little bit. I'll increase the contrast slightly. I'll play with tone. I'll try to see how it will look like from different angles. You could also play with warmth to make it look, I'll make it to look a little bit warmer. It seems to be a better coloring. I'll increase the contrast a little bit more. I'll play with saturation. Now I'm satisfied. Here you can apply filters. They have different effects based on what you're using them for. For now, I'll just keep normal. And here in the trim is when you would like to have a specific section to be only visible. So you will use that here. This will not be a model, a good sample to show. So I most likely will skip it here, but I can show it to you in the different models how process will work out. So we'll just wait for this to load. So for now, we'll just save this. This is applying the changes right now in here. But for sample, I will go and show you. So this is a very good sample to show you how the trim works. So when you're working on the trim, for example, in this case, I would like to see just the front. So the loop is off, as you see, and this will show them from the most important site, which is at the front. The way I achieve this, I already hide frames that I don't want to be visible, and I can control that with this, where I can have my finger rolling over the frames that I don't like to be seen. If there is a frame that I like to see, then I can do this until the points that I'm satisfied with the result. So this is a very good feature if you have a wall mount, or if you have any item, just looking at it from one angle is important.